Welcome to the Morphium Asset Exchange tutorial. Step 1. Go to the Morphium Discord server. Get verified and register your wallet. Step 2. Enter /asset exchange. Type / into the text field to see a list of projects. Pick the project you want to trade in. Listings will pop up. Type / in the text field to see the top menu. Select Tradable Items. A list of tradable items comes up. These items will come up when you are ready to create your listing. Step 3. Create a listing. Select Asset Exchange Create Listing. Enter the item you own and want to trade. Enter the quantity. Enter the item you want. If an item isn't showing, then start typing, and it will filter to matching names. Enter the quantity. The bot will reply back with a discrete amount of ADA. Send your asset along with the ADA to $asset exchange. Your listing is not active until this occurs. Upon receiving your asset, the bot will DM you to acknowledge receipt. The bot will then place a listing notice in all Discord guilds that are using the asset exchange. It will also post the listing on Twitter. Step 4. Swap. Select Asset Exchange Conduct Swap along with the listing ID. The bot scans your wallets to confirm you have the asset. Once the scan is complete, it will provide a discrete amount of ADA. Send your asset with the amount of ADA to $asset exchange. When both traders' wallet content are received, the swap will be complete.